They find my bird feeder. So I exposed their illegal shed. It started with a $250 notice taped to my door. Wildlife hazard, it said. Remove the feeder or pay. I thought it was a joke until the check cleared. And my feeder disappeared. 2 weeks later, my solar path lights blinked off. With another letter. Too bright, signed by HOA President Gerald Knox. I stood at the meeting, lights flickering in my palm, and told them exactly what I thought. Gerald smirked and waved me off. That's when I started digging. I spent nights scrolling through digital archives, cross-referencing permits, invoices, anything that smelled like paper trail. Then I found it. Gerald's backyard maintenance. Receipts for materials, contractor names, timestamps matching HOA meetings. But the real kicker, no permit. None. Just a massive shed sitting right behind his pool. The next HOA meeting, I walked in carrying a binder thick enough to sink a boat. I didn't say a word. I laid it on the table. Screens flicked on. Photos, receipts, timestamps. Gerald's voice started. That's not... But the room already tuned him out. Marta Alvarez, who'd fined me for improper landscaping, stood up first. How long have you been lying to us, Jerry? The votes came fast. Remove Gerald. Dissolve the HOA. By the end of the night, the seal of power was gone. Months later, my garden glowed with solar lights, each panel tuned to the perfect brightness. My bird feeder swings steady in the breeze. At the entrance of Maple Grove, a new wooden sign welcomes visitors. No HOA, just neighbors. The community thrives, united and free.